So guys, we saw that there are situations whereby you want to have multiple comparators joined together. Like a typical example would be when you have here, we have names that are the same. We can have students with the same name, even the same surname. In that case, you will want to resort to some other property to compare those students. Like in this case, we want to use their age because we can see that their age here different. So to do that, as you can see here, we have a comparator that we are using, and this comparator is we compare by name, which is actually provided to us by the default comparator that the comparable interface. Sorry. So if I run this code, we should have ordering by name, and this 32 is probably because it comes first in the list. Yes. So now let's say we want to use some on top of name. We want to also use some other comparison, because when the students have the same name, we don't get what we are looking for. So the comparator interface has what we call thenComparing. So I want us to start first by looking at this one. Student, I'm going to say student.getAge. So if name is the same, look at age. We see now age, the one with 20 comes first because of that. So we see that we can even chain it as much as we want. Let's use the reversed. So we have reversed that. Now we see the one with 32 comes first, but the one with 20 comes after, because we have reversed the ordering. Other than this, we can actually pass the comparator here. It does allow us, which is the one we have here. So I'm just going to say compare by age now. We see we still have 20 comes first and 32 after. And we can also reverse this thing to have 32 come before 20. As you can see, 32 comes before 20 for name John. And we see that we can do some other comparison. You can chain it as much as you want. So this is how good this framework is, or this is how good a comparator is when you are working with it with streams. You can do pretty much any kind of ordering. You can even have more complex orderings that you want to perform. You can actually be able to do that using the thenComparing. You see that here we applied the reversed. You can apply some other comparators to achieve what you want.